Hey, what's up guys? My name is Joe, and today we will be opening a Ghost from the Past the Second Haunting display and a 2021 Mega 10. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's get right into the opening. First pack of Ghost from the Past, let's go. We have Infernity Pawn, Samsara Dragon, Master Flare Hyperion, Vampire Sucker, and Tenji Spirit Vishuda. Alright, next pack. We have Alien Ammonite, Inzector Gigamantis, Outburst Dragon, Inzector Sword Excalibur, and Rose Spectre of Dawn. Alright, nothing too crazy yet. We have DD Swirl Slime, Wandering King Wildwind, Rise of the Mega Monarch, the Agent of Entropy Uranus, and Motor Shell. Okay. So open a couple more of these and then head into our 2021 Mega 10. Let's see what we get. We have Geomathmech Final Sigma, DD Swirl Slime, Divine Zero King Rage, Doom King Balderrock, and Jormungandr Gene Raider Boss of Eternity. Alright. We have Void Cauldron, Vision Hero Gravito, Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon Overlord, Red Eyes Zombie Necro Dragon, and Plunder Patrol Shipyard. Alright, let's go ahead and head into our 2021 Mega 10 and see what we get from it. I love that artwork, it's really cool. Alright, let's go and get these out of there. Okay, let's go ahead and open one. These packs have a lot more cards in them, and there's a few good ones in there. Cross-Eyed Designator is a big one, so let's see what we get in our first pack. Alright. Shiny Black Sea Squatter. That's where it's a vanilla card. Infernal Arms Durandal. El Shadol Construct. Is that a... That's not the actual art of that. That's like a Japanese art or something, right? That's pretty cool, though. Titanic Lad, the Ash Dragon. Cool, ultra rare. Mahama, the Fairy Dragon. Mahama. Pretty cool. Virtual World City. Okay. Pretty cool. That El Shadol is pretty cool. Alright, back to Ghosts from the Past. We have Retaliating Sea, the Agent Force Mars, Master Flare Hyperion, Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon, and Tenji Spirit Adhara. Okay. Come on, Ghosts. Step up your game. Show yourself. We have Performapal Misdirector, the Executor of the Underworld Pluto, Necroworld Banshee, Mystical Shine Ball, and Infernity Sage. Okay. Nothing too crazy to show from Ghosts from the Past yet. Alright. We have Prime Mathmech Laplacian, Cynetic Conflict, Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon, Mecha Phantom Beast Coltwing, and Vampire Domination. Alright, let's go ahead and do another 2021 10 of Ancient Battles. It's so weird how many cards are in this. It's kind of cool. It's almost like a deck almost. Let's see. Lantern Shark, Magical Broker, Goki the Power Load Ogre, Torpedo Takedown, Penguin Brave, Trap Chicks, Alamaris, super rare, nice. Gizmek Okami the Dreaded Deluge Dragon. Ooh, Tri Brigade Ferrit the Barren Blossom. Cool. Tri Brigade. Ooh, we got Crossout Designator. Let's go. That's like a $40 card right there. Let's go. Let's go. Heck yeah, that's a good pull. We have Gursu the Orcust, Mech Knight, Rager's Wing, Deep Sea Prima Donna, Joyce Melfi's Dogmatic Encounter, Flourishing Frolic, Guy the Magical Knight, and Dogmatic Nation. Heck yeah, we got Crossout Designator right there. That is a big hit from this. That is awesome, guys. Cool. All right. Let's see if Ghosts from the Past can catch up and beat 2021 Megaton, because so far it's winning. By far. All right. We have, if I can focus here, the Agent of Judgment Saturn, the Executor of the Underworld Pluto, Protector of the Agent's Moon, the Chorus in the Sky, the Agents of Entropy Uranus. Okay. Come on, Ghosts. Let's pull a good one. We got Glow Up Bloom, Savant Thomas, Vision Hero Ferris, it's a pretty good card, Doom King Balderrock, and Ghost Trick Jiangxi. Okay, next pack. We have Domain of the True Monarchs, Crimson Knight Vampire Bram, Shell Knight, the Flute of Summoning Karibo, and Golden Hero, the newest Plunder Patrol. Come on, Ghosts. There's been nothing too crazy yet from Ghosts, so hopefully we're saving up for last, maybe. We have Prime Mathmech Laplacian. Come on, camera. We have Tatsu Necro, Vision Hero Ferris again, DD Necro Slime, and Plunder Patrol Ship Bran. Come on. We're not going to stop on Ghosts until we pull something at least half decent. We got Vampire Sorcerer, Infernity Pawn, Chronicle Magician, Hela Gene Raider Boss of Doom, on Meraki. Okay. We have Vision Hero Poisoner, Despian Comedy, Majesty Hyperion, Yang Xing Prana, and Ghost Trick Jiangxi. Okay. Not too many ghost packs left. Looks like we got a total of 5 left, maybe. Okay, we have Yang Xing Brutality, Advanced Ritual Art, Dark Magician the Dragon Knight. I love that art. So cool. Duo Dawn King Kali Yuga, and Fossil Fusion. Still not really any big hits from Ghosts, though. Okay, we have Baxia, Brightness of the Yang Xing, Whitebeard, the Plunder Patrol Helm, Ghost Trick Mary, Dark Contract with the Swamp King, and Pendulum Area. Okay, we have Puppet Queen, the Agent of Judgment Saturn, Destiny King Zero Laplace, Dot Scaper, and Necro Slime. And a couple more ghosts left. Hopefully we actually pull a ghost, or at least something half decent from it. We have Samsara Dragon. Oh my god, Blue Eyes White Dragon Ghost Rare. I accidentally skipped the card. Oh my god, Blue Eyes White Dragon Ghost Rare. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, look at that card. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. I am like nerding out over this card, guys. Oh my gosh, and it's a little bit off-centered. Let's see. This one doesn't have any dots on it. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's look at the back. I'm going to take a quick look at this, guys. There is a little bit of scuffing. I'm not sure if my camera's going to pick up on it. Right there. You guys can see it. Yep. Not bad at all, though. Look at that Blue Eyes White Dragon. Let's go ahead and sleeve that right up. I cannot believe I pulled that. I'm so excited, guys. I'm shaking. It's so cool. This is one of the ones that I wanted to pull from Ghosts. I'm so excited that I was able to pull it too. So excited. I have my brother here with me. He's helping me out a little bit.
I'm just being very quiet. I was so hyped. I was over here pumping my fist and everything.
There we go, guys. Blue Eyes White Dragon. What an opening. I'm so excited, guys. Here.
Dude.
Okay. Well, we pulled something good from Ghost from the Past. I'm so happy, guys. All right.
Centering's off.
Let's open our last 2021 10 of Ancient Battles. What else can we pull from Ghost that's going to beat that? Dark Magician Girl? Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah. All right. All right, let's bring that down a little bit more so we can see it.
I mean, you also got like a $30-$40 card as well from the Mega 10.
Yeah, and we also got Crossout Designator. Like, what the heck, man?
Crazy opening.
Yeah. All right, let's focus. There we go. Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon. Not repetitive at all. Fury of Karyu Shin. We have Arcjet Lightcraft. Charge into a Dark World. Melfi Hide and Seek. Emancipator Analyzer. That's pretty cool. Ooh, Lingaribo. Nice. When the Wind Channeler. Pretty cool. That's our secret. And we have Emancipator Researcher. Nice. Virtual World. I'm not even going to try to say that. GG is the last part. Exi. I don't know. Guy the Fierce Knight Origin. Rampaging Smash Tank Rhino Saber. Melfi Pony. Witchcrafter Jenny. Junk Sleep. Infernal Knight Ogier. And Link Burst. Alright. Last two packs of Ghost from the Past 2, guys. How can this get any better? We can pull the Blue Eyes White Dragon Ghost Rare.
Full second Blue Eyes White Dragon.
Yeah, that'd be crazy. Or the last two has them. Then we'd be Kaiba. We have Tenyu Spirit Nahada. Plunder Patrol Ship Mork. Number 97 Draglubion. Cocktorium the Heavy Metal Avian. Fossil Machine Skull Wagon.
Alright, well here's Dark Magician Girl right here.
Last pack, guys. What an opening.
That's crazy.
Okay, we have Reptilian Spawn, Great Mammoth of Goldfine, Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon, Malefic Cyberend Dragon, and Ghost Trick Lantern. Alright, guys. What an awesome opening. We got a Blue Eyes White Dragon Ghost Rare. Absolutely amazing. And we also got a Crossout Designator. I'm also going to sleeve that up. Thank you.
That's some pretty crazy cards.
Yeah, I'm not going to lie. This is probably one of my best openings I've ever had. Okay. Alright, guys. If you guys liked this video, please drop a like. Comment down below if you have any tips for me or questions, or if you guys just want to see any more videos in the future. Thank you and have a great day.